Most clinics think they need more leads, but honestly, that's usually not the real problem. What we see over and over again is clinics losing patients after the inquiry comes through. A patient messages the clinic, fills out a form, calls after hours, sends a DM, comments on Instagram or Facebook. And then what happens? Nobody responds fast enough. The front desk is busy, the clinic is closed, follow-ups get delayed, the lead goes cold. By the time somebody reaches out, that patient has already booked somewhere else. Not because the other clinic was better, because they were faster. That's exactly why we built Patient Flow AI. At the center of this system is the conversion engine. The moment a patient reaches out through your website, phone calls, Instagram, Facebook, forms, WhatsApp, or SMS, the system responds instantly. It answers questions, handles objections, follows up automatically, and books consults directly into your live calendar 24/7. But this is where it gets really powerful. The system also pre-qualifies the patient before they ever walk into your clinic, before they sit in that consult chair. It identifies what treatment they're interested in, how soon they want to move forward, what concerns they have, why you're inquiring, and their urgency level, and how ready they are to proceed. So before the consultation even happens, your clinic already receives the full, conversation transcript, patient qualification notes, treatment interest, urgency level, and the full inquiry context, meaning your team walks into the consult already knowing what the patient wants, why they want it, what concerns they have, and how serious they are. That changes the consult completely. Instead of spending 45 minutes gathering basic information, your team can focus on the connection, trust, the treatment planning, and conversion. No more cold consults, no more tire kicking, draining the chair time, no more guessing. Just high qualified patients walking into your clinic, already warmed up, ready for the next step. That's the conversion engine. Now, around that, we also have the attention engine. This brings more of the right patients into the system through meta ads, Google ads, contact systems, social media, and authority positioning. And then we have the retention engine, keeps patients engaged after treatment through review requests, referrals, reactivation campaigns, and repeat bookings. So it becomes one connected patient growth ecosystem. Attention, conversion, retention, all working together. But here's the biggest difference. This isn't a software you rent forever. We build the entire infrastructure with your clinic. Over the 90 days, we build it, we optimize it, we train it around all your workflows, and then you own it. The automations, the workflows, the system, the entire infrastructure. It becomes a real business asset inside your clinic. And if you want us to continue optimizing it after that, we can. But you're never locked in. If you want to see what this would actually look like in your clinic, book a walkthrough. We'll map it out, where patients are slipping through, what your biggest bottlenecks are, and exactly how the system would work for your clinic specifically.